into action. What is up, you guys? It's your girl Deja D, and today I'm going to be recreating Aaliyah J spider. She did this like spider eye, and I just wanted to recreate it, so that's what we're doing today. So as you all see, I'm starting off with putting some primer on. I believe this is my Wet n Wild primer. That's pretty much the only one I use, for real. And after that, I went ahead and took my Maybelline Fit Me. This is their matte formula. I love this one, especially now that we have to wear masks. It doesn't transfer as easy as the dewy ones do. So I'm just applying that with my e.l.f. beauty sponge that's damp a little bit. And I previously did my eyebrows before I started this tutorial. So yeah. And also, before we really get into the video, this is going to be super quick. It's more so a watch me do it. So I'm not going to talk too much, but right now I'm just going ahead and I'm adding my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I believe this is in the shade Fawn. It might be in the shade Almond though. I'm sorry guys, but this is just to watch me do my makeup, okay? I just wanted to get on here and just let you all know what I was doing. So enjoy this music. So now I am about to add some contour and I started using some liquid blush. I really like this one. This is the NYX Soft Liquid Brush, and it's like their light pink one that they got. So I really like this. I feel like it helps add some color to my face, some dimensions. It's really pretty. And then I'm just blending out my contour and my blush right now, really taking it into my forehead and my hairline. In the comment section below, let me know what you all are doing for Halloween, as well as what you all plan on being. I'm gonna be at work, so I'm gonna be making that money for Halloween. Okay. But let me know in the comment section, especially with the whole quarantine. And this video will be up for years. So, if you're watching this in 2021, 2022, or 2020 right now, just let me know in the comment section what you all plan on being for Halloween. Okay? It's really cute. Y'all probably looking like, why she keep looking back and forth with the TV? I was watching Girlfriends. Sorry. I don't know if that's going to sound good, but I'm keeping it in. But yeah, I've watched Moesha. I finished watching The Game. You know how Netflix put all those shows on there? I went to Hulu and finished up The Game, watched all the episodes. But yeah. And now I'm on Girlfriends, and then after Girlfriends, I'm going to go to a different show. I'm debating on The Parkers or Sister. But I'm going to watch all those shows. I just can't watch them all at the same time. So yeah, I've been watching Girlfriends. But right now I'm just putting my setting powder on, and then once that's off, I'm taking a little bit of some powder blush, and this is actually this pink eyeshadow from my Juvia's Place palette. And as you all see, I just set my face, fanning it off. I'm going really fast in this tutorial because I wasn't talking, and I skipped a big portion of my makeup. So first thing you want to do is basically get your face done and then do a smoky eye. So I'm taking this transition shade, and then I'm going to add a black eyeshadow and just do a regular smoky eye look. And then that's when you go in with the spiders and this, that, and the third. So I wanted to add a pop of color to my under eye. I went ahead and took this light blue, like a turquoise color, and then I went under it with this like light blue eyeshadow to really make it pop. Then I smoked it out with some black. So it's not like super vibrant, but it's definitely there, serving its purpose. So I just added a little bit of color there because that's what Aaliyah had. She had like this neon green under there, but I just had like this turquoise blue shade. So as you see, I'm taking the eyeshadow now and just applying that. So that's what you all see me doing right here. Also, I got my hair cornrowed. My cousin did my hair. I'm just like really chit-chatting with y'all right now while I'm doing this. But if you don't know, I'm growing my hair back out. So you all going to see me with a bunch of different styles, wigs, braids, a whole bunch of different things. My sister does hair, so I just knock on her door and be like, can you do my hair? But y'all don't care about that. Oh, and let me just, I'm doing the eyeliner now, but like, I know it's about to come up. So, I'm just doing some eyeliner and mascara. I'm gonna come back when we get to the spider legs. Okay, so I know you all are probably like, Deja, why didn't you show us doing the spider legs? Okay, so you see those like shadowy looking things? I really was just following photos. So I took some shadow and did like the spider legs as a shadow, and then I did the actual legs with the eyeliner. Then I went in with this white eyeliner and like added the detailing so it really looks like a spider. So just like adding some white detail to the liner to really make it pop, and that's what really sealed the done dealio. So yeah, I'm sorry y'all probably like, girl, you scammed us. I know, but it's too late now. Might as well finish the video. It's like, nah, but that's really all I did. I just took some eyeshadow and made the shadow of the spider legs. Below, if I find like a detailed video and tutorial, I'll leave a link to somebody's like detailed full out tutorial and the one that I used. But I've seen James Charles do the video, and Aaliyah J, she did it first from the way I seen it. So yeah, and now I'm just going ahead and putting on this nice little pretty nude lip, and it's gonna look really nice and cute. So yeah, I don't know why I keep singing to y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna do this nice nude lip. Did I add gloss? I think I add gloss. And I just apply some lashes, and then the look is pretty much all done. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and let's chat in the comment section below. I really want to know what you all plan on being for Halloween, what you all plan on doing for Halloween, especially this year during quarantine. What do y'all have popping? I'm going to be vlogging because I'm going to like a haunted house this week. So yeah, I love you all so much. All right, bye-bye.